Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm putting my makeup skills to the test because I'm only allowed to use 6 makeup products for my entire face. 1 product per category, that's it. No cheating, no grabbing just one more thing. I love to do that. I am very much known for that, but I can't do that today. Because we're only using a few products, I need my products to do multiple things. One of them I was really surprised, and you'll see what I'm talking about later in this video. Products that I'm choosing are the best product in each category for this particular month. You wanna see how I got this? Keep watching. Okay, we are really testing ourselves today with this video, but at least you'll know the best products in each category. This one just came out though. This is the YSL Cushion Foundation, and I feel like a lot of people are coming out with cushions right now. I mean, they're just taking over. This is the shade, looks a little deep. I recently went to the event and I got 2 of these. I got a dark one and a lighter one. This is the shade MW1. I just did a video on the L'Oreal one and that one was really, really good. So I have high hopes for this one. I'm just gonna do a little bit of my skin and then go into my under eyes with this because, ooh, it smells really good. Oh my gosh, okay. I wouldn't think anything less of YSL, but I wish you guys could smell this. Wow, my skin is looking really even and glowy with this. That's one reason why I really love cushion foundations. Typically, my favorite one for a long time was Tear. I'm just gonna take a little bit on my ear because it's gonna look like I have white ears and a tan face and body. Actually very similar to the L'Oreal one, the little puff. How good that looks. I am obsessed. I'm only gonna do half of my face so you guys can see what it's doing to my skin and why I'm like freaking out a little bit because it is so good. Might as well go under my eye. So I could only choose to even my skin tone, not brighten. So this is really like if you're on the go and you need to look good very quick. So you only have 1 product and this is what we're choosing. And you guys tell me, would you actually like even out your skin tone or would you rather brighten and hurry up and run out of the house? Like which one would you do if you're in a hurry? I feel like I would rather even everything out just so it looks a little more natural before, and this is the after. It is giving me new skin. Now it's time for the brow transformation. This is a 4-in-1 pencil, so this is literally all you need. We are literally building out an entire brow with this pencil, and now we have a full brow. Okay, now it's time for the bronzer. I actually this was a hard decision. I would normally choose blush because I wanted to do something different, and I tried this weekend from SheGlam, and it's so good. I'm using this one for, you guys, I think I got the wrong shade. I swear this was gonna be so much more warm, but it's not. And this actually smells pretty good too. So I'm just gonna contour and bronze. Definitely can contour with blush. It gives you a different look. It's pretty, but you gotta know what you're doing when you do it or it could look like you have a rash or something. So I'm gonna take this under my eye a little bit too because we only have 1 product there and I just wanna make sure I have a little depth before we go in. I used a different color this weekend because they sent me a whole PR thing and it was a bunch of colors, but I wanted to try that one and it was a good color, but let's see how this one goes, this color. I thought it was gonna give me a little bit more warmth, but it's actually very nice and natural. So I love it. If I was grabbing one quick product, even if I had to put it in my bag and do my makeup in my car, it would probably be that one because the stick is easy. But I wanna know what your product would be. Would it be blush or bronzer? You only had to pick one. Please comment below. I am so curious what you guys would pick. This brush is from House Labs, by the way, you guys, because I'm trying to get better at telling you guys what brush I'm using because the brushes that you use are super helpful. You see how this one curves and it has that flat edge? That way I can blend this little contour area. It's very precise. I did not bring a lash curler, which I feel like makes a huge difference. But let me just show you guys this mascara. It's actually really good. I'm just gonna take it in the opposite direction so I can get as much lift in volume as possible. I love how you can just build this up so easy. Because I have no false lashes in this video, I'm gonna swing my lashes to the corner so they give me a little bit more of a flared out type of winged up lash. So good. I'm gonna do the lower lash. Since I only get one eye product, I'm using the Rem Beauty Liquid Shadow in Muse. It's like a brown with a little bit of, with actually a lot of sparkle in it. So you get like a 2-in-1, you'll get some dimension, you'll get some sparkle, but because it's only one product, I'm gonna have to use placement to make it look like I did a full look. So I'm gonna do the crease right here, blend that in. Okay, it's very cool tone, but we'll blend it out like this. I wanna do a little wing out here, just like a tiny little something. And the good thing about this is that it's a liquid, so you can turn it into any shape you want. So it'll be a soft little shadow. This is so much lighter and cool tone than what I was thinking, guys. I would have chosen a color that's like a little bit more, has a little more depth to it, but it's nice. I'm gonna take it all the way on the lash line. Okay, I don't want the wing to come out that far. I had a choice between that and these. These are all eyeshadow creams. And I probably would have chosen something else, you guys, just because look, it's a little gray. Oh, and I can't go back. What a challenge we've had today with this eyeshadow, but I feel like everything else works really well. It's just, and this is such a pretty color, just not what I was expecting. Okay, we're down to our last product, and it's the lips. I want something that's gonna do multiple things at one time, so I'm using the Nooni Lip Oil. This one is Appleblacktea. It's really pretty and soft. And then this one is Applepeony, and it has a little bit more punch to it. Both very pretty, leaves this really nice stain and a nice hydrating shine. When you let it sit on your skin for a little bit, it tints it. So you can remove the gloss layer and you're still gonna have like a pretty tint left on after. The Nooni Lip Oil that I'm using today is Applepeony. It's nourishing and tinting. It's such a pretty color. Looks clear, but the tint is really pretty. It's a lip balm and lip tint in one. So I feel like I'm getting the best of both worlds at one time, which is great for us right now. I've actually been reaching for this because I love an everyday lip color, but my lips still feel very hydrated as well. I love a 2-in-1. Okay, I'm gonna apply it, but I'm only gonna do it on the bottom lip so you can see the difference in both. So I'm just gonna apply the Applepeony to the bottom. It feels so smooth and hydrating. It smells amazing. You can already see the tint happening. And I love that you can just kind of line the lip too. Look at that difference. And this tint is gonna stay there for the rest of the day, which is my favorite part. You guys know how I feel about lip stains and tints. This one is a good one. We're gonna do the top, but I'm gonna just overline the top lip a little bit with the precision tip of this applicator. And let me just do that first before I fill in. And what I like is that it's comfortable and it's not sticky at all. You get that long-lasting hydration, but you're also getting that tint, and that's why this is perfect for this challenge, because it's a 2-in-1. You get that glossy finish, hydration, and a really beautiful everyday lip color without having to use multiple products. And it's kind of the lip product that I keep reaching for because it's easy. I can't get over that glossy, juicy finish and just that everyday color that just doesn't move. I don't want to go back to my lip product later. I just want to leave it and forget about it, and that's exactly what this does. I'm so tempted just to like pop this on top just to see what it looks like. Oh my god, I bet it's pretty. I've actually only used them separately, but I kind of want to do this around the lip as like a liner to give like a different definition. Okay, and as the gloss starts to wear off your lip, the tint is still going to be there. I'm going to show you guys how easy, how crazy this is, but I do love the gloss. Let me just show you what happens when you wipe this off, or it wears off your lip. So I'm gonna take this napkin and remove the shine. My lips are so hydrated. They feel really soft and nourished, but I still have that color left behind that I don't have to worry about, and I could just go about my day. Like, I am so obsessed with this. I personally would even use it as a blush, like under my makeup, so it would peek through. Actually, I could have done that with this. You guys gotta let me know if you're gonna try this. Comment below which color you would try. So this color on the top is the purple one, and then the color on the bottom, the one that I have on, this one, this peach color. But I'm gonna add a little bit more gloss on because, like I said, I do love the gloss. I'll have the Nooni Lip Oil link on Amazon in my description if you guys want to check it out. I personally love a 2-in-1, so I'll definitely be grabbing more of these, but you guys got to check them out for this summer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know down in the comments which one would make your cut. Like, what's your 6? Also, if you end up trying this challenge with me, please let me know. Tag me, because I'd love to see it. Before I let you go, I always like to leave you with a little motivational message, and sometimes less is exactly what you need. Whether it's makeup or expectations you put on yourself, simplifying things can remind you that you already have what you need. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.